You need to lose weight, but you hate lugging out that big blender for a healthy shake. Hi, Chef Daniel Green here with my Bell Howell Bionic Blade, the new handheld blender that's rechargeable, so you can make a fast, healthy shake anywhere. It's so powerful, even blocks of wood are chopped into sawdust in seconds, or these solid rocks pulverized with no effort at all. Amazing! Most blenders get jammed with ice, but Bionic Blade is jam-proof. Just pick it up and move it around. Finally crush ice into a creamy snow in seconds. Designed like the shake bottle you take to the gym, Bionic Blade has the motor and blades built right into the lid for a fast one-handed blending anywhere. And that motor generates a crushing 100 watts of power, while the advanced quad blade technology slices right through. And the lithium battery can blend up to 10 drinks per charge. Make natural energy and immune boosters. Take your protein powder, milk, and just add fruit and ice. Bionic Blade quickly creates a smooth drink, just like your big blenders.
But this is portable, so you can make a shake anywhere.
Try some ice cream and your favorite candy bar for a thick, delicious milkshake. You can even grind coffee beans and quickly blend a refreshing iced coffee wake me up you can enjoy on the go. Or make delicious pina coladas, freshly blended right by poolside. And look, Bionic Blade even chops nuts to top a salad, or finely grates hard Parmesan cheese for pasta. Bell & Howell Bionic Blade.